Hey everyone. If you're like me and you own a Cybertruck, you already know it's not just any vehicle. It's big, it's bold, and it doesn't exactly squeeze into tight spaces with ease. Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick to master parking this beast in a tight garage. Trust me, it's a game changer. First things first, let's talk about the size of the Cybertruck. It's larger than your average truck, which can make navigating into small spaces a bit intimidating. But fear not, with the right approach you can park this baby just about anywhere. Here's my go-to trick, use the front camera. Yes, you heard that right. Before we dive into the process, make sure your garage is clear of any obstacles. Safety first, always. Step 1. Place markers on the garage floor at the right spots. These will be your guides. Duct tape works great. The beauty of this trick is in its simplicity. When the markers disappear from the camera view, you stop. No second guessing, no worrying about scraping the sides. Step 2 involves a bit of practice. Approach your garage slowly and keep an eye on those markers in the camera feed. As you drive in, adjust your speed and direction slightly to ensure that the markers disappear from the view. This might take a few tries to get right, but once you do, it'll feel like second nature. Remember, the key here is precision and patience. The Cybertruck's cameras and sensors are incredibly helpful, and this trick gives you that extra layer of assurance. And there you have it. A simple, foolproof way to get your Cybertruck parked perfectly in your garage every single time. No more worries about tight spaces or dented bumpers. I hope this trick helps you as much as it's helped me. Try it out, and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Drive safe, and see you next time.